Are you having problems with your Microsoft Authenticator app not working and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do first is to just close your Microsoft Authenticator app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app, scroll down a little bit in here and then click on general. So click on general, scroll down a little bit in here and just click on storage, as you can see. And I have an iPhone, as you can see, but if you have an Android, it should be something similar to this as well. So just find storage on your Android device and then wait for this one right here to load. And after it has actually loaded all the apps in here, we're going to scroll down and find the Microsoft Authenticator app. So now we're just going to scroll down. So I'm just going to scroll down. I think it should be all the way down below here. Oh, perfectly. As you can see, it just says like this Authenticator, just so you know. So click on it and then click on Upload App, and then once again click on Upload App. Then click on the blue button here again, and now you're going to wait for this app to auto-update to the latest version, and it can sometimes take a little bit of time, just so you know. So wait for it to auto-update, and then when it has actually updated to the latest version, you're going to go back, and now hopefully this will be solved for you.